Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist. I'm back again with another awesome video, and today we have something which would be a delight hopefully for the audiophiles, because we have one of the latest additions in the Pamu family of Bluetooth earbuds, which is Pamu Quiet Mini. If you remember, we did the Pamu Quiet review a few weeks back, and that was a beautiful looking product, very well designed from the box to everything else. And they have just launched the Pamu Quiet Mini, which is a small little thing but packs some amazing stuff and amazing technology into it. Well, let's find out what's inside the box, how it looks like, and what all feature it packs. But before we get on to telling you all about it, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube. If you're watching us on Facebook, like and follow us there. Do follow us on Instagram as well, and follow us on TikTok as well, and all the handle are Great Lobbyists. So don't forget to do that, because that love is very important for us and keeps us motivated to keep bringing you all these amazing videos. So let's get straight on to the business. Let's find out what's inside the box. This is Pamu Quiet Mini. So starting with the box, let's rip this open and boom. Pamu Quiet Mini, beautiful, small, portable, and let's remove the thing at the back if we can. There we go. Leave this here. Beautiful, beautiful looking. Look at that. Isn't that graceful? We're going to tell you all about it. And on the other side of the box, we have a tray which packs the additional silicone ear tips of different sizes, so that in case you want to change it, you've got bigger ears or smaller, you can change that and make it happen for you. So that's the second part, and the third part packs something else as well. So let's find out what's inside this as well while you're at it. Very thoughtful. You got yourself a leatherette sort of pouch, a small little tiny USB Type-C cable, so you can carry this along. So beautiful stuff. And then nothing beyond that, a little bit of paperwork. So great stuff, guys. I mean, this is a beautiful piece of hardware by the look and feel of it. We're going to try to connect it and tell you all about it in the coming. So let me tell you a little bit more about the Pamu Quiet Mini. Now, first, this is probably the first one which I've come across, which has Bluetooth 5.2. Now that is the latest version of Bluetooth, which means more stable connectivity and low latency as well. So it's got hybrid noise cancellation, which reduces noise of up to 40 dBs. That means you can possibly not hear a humming sound of a vacuum cleaner running in your apartment or next to you, which is great stuff. It's got the gaming mode as well, which is absolutely ultra low latency. It has in-app firmware update and customization of all the key functions as well, which is through the Pamu app, and which you can see, which you'll see towards the end of the video. You know, you can expect some really beautiful sound experience with this. So let's gonna take this out and show you how beautiful this piece looks. Look at that. Amazing. This is some sort of a bluish black color, and looks absolutely amazing. So beyond the look and feel and the quality of sound that it can produce, it comes from a 10mm dynamic unit driver, which enhances the depth of the bass. It has the Agile Pen titanium composite diaphragm to deliver that good ductility, and the titanium also produces awesome sound quality on high frequencies as well. So this Pen titanium is a 3-band equalization, which is used by Pamu Quiet. So you can customize your speakers. It's got customized speakers so that you have that absolute ultimate quality. You know, a titanium composite diaphragm combined with that 10mm pen, which means deep bass, and even at higher frequencies, you will enjoy the music absolutely, or the conversation. Now, great overall performance, extremely deep subwoofer, fast dynamic response, excellent bass elasticity, and clear gradation as well. Now, it's absolutely full and bright mid-range, which means you can absolutely tell with the quality of sound that it is absolutely great, and the trebles are absolutely phenomenal. I mean, this is one thing I enjoyed using these for the last couple of days, and I am loving these absolutely. So enjoy that, and that means no matter what's your taste in music or the communication that you want to have with your friends or a call, you are going to be absolutely enjoying Pamu Quiet Mini. This is Bluetooth 5.2 active noise cancellation earphones, which will make your experience of listening very immersive. Dual hybrid noise cancellation, dual noise sensor technology, and it gives you 3 different modes: ANC on, ANC off, and transparency mode. So in case you want absolutely be in the space of your music or your communication, you can just turn the ANC off and you can be sure that you will not be disturbed, and you can turn it off as well and come to the normal mode. But if you want to be aware of your surrounding, you can turn on the transparency mode, so that in case you are in a public place and you want to know what's happening around you, that's a good thing to have as an option. And the gaming mode, which is, that comes when we talk about Bluetooth 5.2 as the latest technology, the delay and the latency is absolutely low. It is as low as 17 milliseconds, which means your reaction time when you're in that game, you're enjoying that as you're deeply into the game. You don't have to worry about sound being delayed. So that is amazing stuff. 18 hours of playtime, which is awesome. And the beauty is, in case you run out of battery, this case can do it. I mean, combined with the case is 18 hours, but in case you still run out, just charge it for 10 minutes and you're good to go for an hour of music or an hour of your call time. And my favorite, last but not the least, it's not just charging. It is QI certified wireless charging. So put it onto the wireless charger and you are good to go. So you don't have to worry about, plugging it in case you don't want to. And the touch sensors on the sides are absolutely brilliant. And all these touch sensors can be customized according to your requirement, as per your personality, as per how you feel comfortable with it. You can, whether it's, turning up the volume, down the volume, answering the call, or changing the music, all can be customized through the touch sensors using the Pamu Quiet app. So Pamu Quiet app can not just help you customize your earbuds, but also it acts as a firmware upgrade platform as well. So once connected, you can always upgrade your firmware to keep the latest tech from Pamu in there. So guys, this is Pamu Quiet Mini Bluetooth 5.0 active noise cancellation headphones, and I am sure you're going to check it out on the links below where you can get them. And we are giving you a chance to win these bad boys as well. So just leave us a comment and let us know what is that one feature about Pamu Quiet that you love the most, and we'll give you a chance to win this beautiful thing. And until next time, and I'm going to come up with another video very soon. So I'll see you guys in a couple of days. Until that time, keep yourself safe. Peace.